Hey guys, I've had some questions about thyroid health because there are quite a few people who still have symptoms even though they're on medication, and I do coach women who have still got the symptoms and they're on medication for thyroid health. So just a very quick video, because this is going to be covered in my hormone course that I will be doing, and you can also book in with me now if you want coaching. But if you're on medication, which is usually T4 like I am, what happens is your body has to convert that T4 to T3. So T4 is the inactive form of your thyroid hormone. T3 is the active form. And it's the T3 that stops the symptoms. So if you're still experiencing symptoms, there may be a conversion issue. And the conversion happens via the liver, and also via your gut. Those two are very important when it comes to hormones. So the first thing you want to think about with hormones, for me, because I'm a gut health specialist, we heal the gut first, and then we focus on food, and we also focus on what the liver is doing, because the liver is so important when it comes to hormone health, because the hormones have to filter. So this is what's happening with thyroid health. So you need to make sure that you ask your doctor to test your T3 levels, because the T3 is the active form, and that is going to stop your symptoms. Now, the NHS do not test T3, so you will have to look in various other places if you want to find out what your T3 is doing. Now, I wrote Health Empowerment, the recipe book, with a lot of thyroid information in there. At the start of the book, I go into the thyroid and what supplements you need to take to support your thyroid, and a lot of the foods in there as well are also for your thyroid. So if you haven't read that book or used any of the recipes, it's there for you. It's 550 pages of recipes with all the information at the beginning of the book on foods to avoid, and also the foods to eat, because we want that as well. It's all in there, what foods to eat, and how to heal your gut. Of course, is in beauty and the gut, so you start with that. You have to do it. With hormone health, guys, you have to be active with your food, your diet, your lifestyle, everything, if you want to have healthier hormones. So if you continue eating the foods that are making your hormones really poor, for example refined sugars, then you're not going to be able to create hormone health. Really balanced hormones need to have healthy food, such as the omega-3 oils is one example. You need to have omegas in your diet because our hormones are coming from cholesterol. So if you're not eating the right foods, we can't balance our hormones. That is your tip there for today. And if you want to subscribe to my email list, go to my website. I will also link it below as well, and you can just add your name to the email list. If you haven't got my books, again, you can go to my website. The links are there for the UK, but they are available worldwide. Available through Amazon is the best place, unless you buy my first book, Beauty in the Gut, that is available in other bookstores around the world. Those books are there to support and guide you, and then if you feel like I'm still stuck, then you book in with me for one-on-one coaching, and then we go into it a bit deeper. If you're feeling like I just need some guidance, I need some support, I'm going to contact Danny. That's what I'm here for if you need that. My website details are there, everything. Again, I suggest you go there for everything. So you have to change what you're putting into your body. So if you still have symptoms, like the hair loss was the issue today with somebody, you are going to have to change what you put into your mouth, because we have to heal the gut. What is your gut doing? What's your liver doing? And not forgetting the final message. What is your stress doing? Stress is my nemesis, and that is why I'm a yoga teacher, and I really do encourage people to have more meditation and yoga in their lives, because it helps to settle down our nervous system, or just get your feet down in the earth, ground yourself in the earth, because that lowers our inflammation, and our nervous system needs to calm down. So your adrenals work very closely with the thyroid. So if your adrenals are burnt out, or you even have low adrenal function, then that's going to have a huge impact on what your thyroid is doing. And these are lessons that I've had to learn for myself. So just have a think about that. How stressed are you? Most of us are very, very stressed, including myself, which is why I'm like, Danny, slow down. You can't do everything. Just take one breath, one day at a time, and you'll get there when you need to do things. So yeah, take some time out for yourself as well. So my name is Danny Jackson. You can find me over at dannyjacksonhealthempowerment.com, where you will find all of my services, including yoga, Pilates, my books, my coaching. Everything is on there, and is my Amazon shop link as well for the UK. And if you aren't aware, I had Graves' disease when I was 18 years old, and I've had to heal and repair my body naturally with everything that I tell you in my books. And I am also on medication 𝒟𝒾 because I've had radioactive iodine. My thyroid was damaged when I was 18, and I've had to completely reset and heal everything in my body. I'm very passionate about my job, and I love to help other people. So if you do want to learn more about me, you can visit my website. Have an awesome day, guys.